Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this deep breath sleep meditation. We're going to use the breath to guide you into a super relaxed state that will set the foundation for an incredibly peaceful sleep. So go ahead and set up your surroundings so they're conducive to the most restful sleep possible. And when you feel ready, climb gently into your bed and arrange your body in the most effortlessly relaxed position you can feel your way into. Once you're there, just start warming up your breath by breathing slowly, gently in through the nose and filling up your body. And then slowly exhaling out through the mouth. Let's do that 2 more times, breathing a little bit deeper in through the nose. And letting it roll out like a wave out through the mouth. One more for now. Let the breath be a little bit deeper and fuller and rounder as you breathe it in, let it roll down, and effortlessly back up and out through the mouth at a nice, slow pace. And now make any final adjustments to your position and aim to stay as still as you can for the duration of the session as you ease into a comfortable position. And now bring your attention to the top of your head. And take one slow deep breath and imagine as if it's going in through the top of the head. And as you exhale, imagine it flowing back out of the top of the head. And now move your attention like a spotlight, and when thoughts and distractions arise, simply drop them fluidly and stay in the rhythm with your spotlight front and center on your forehead to start, feeling your forehead with your inner spotlight. Moving down to the bridge of your nose and your right nostril. Moving microscopically to your left nostril, feeling the flow of air. And now both nostrils, an even flow of breath. Dropping down to your lips, the tip of your tongue, and the root of your tongue, and your jaw. Floating back up towards your ears, your temples, your eyes, and imagine breathing into your eyes and your face now, taking a slow deep breath, and on the exhale let all of the muscles around the eyes, in the face and the jaw start to melt and relax as you breathe out. And now drop the attention to the front of the neck, wrapping around to feel the sides of your neck, the back of your neck, your shoulders, and all the little spindles of the muscles in your shoulders and neck. And now take a slow deep breath into your shoulders and neck. And as you exhale, let any tension or holding drop and soften. Continuing to move the attention fluidly and dropping down to the arms as you feel the biceps, the triceps, the elbows, the forearms, the wrists, the palms of your hands, and the backs of your hands, your pinky fingers, ring fingers, middle fingers, index fingers, and your thumbs. And now feel your hands and arms at the same time, expanding your spotlight to feel the energy coursing up and down the arms and hands. Take a slow, deep breath into the arms and hands now. Feel that energy charging up with tingling aliveness, and as you exhale, feel all the muscles dropping, relaxing, sinking into the supports. And now gather the attention into the chest, feeling the energy at the heart. Notice the rise and fall of the breath as it moves effortlessly at the chest. Feel more deeply into the heart, going past your mind and your thoughts and into the energy of what you feel without judgment at the heart. And now take a deep, slow breath into the heart and imagine the energy expanding, blossoming, and as you exhale, feel anything you're hanging on to energetically diffusing, releasing, evaporating. Drop the attention smoothly into the belly from the upper belly to the middle belly, to the lower belly, feeling the entire abdomen rising and falling with the breath as it flows to you for a moment. Go deep into the attention at the belly for a moment, as if you're becoming one with the energy that you sense. And now take a slow, full, deep breath as if you're drinking in the oxygen, feeling the belly expanding and then softening and releasing any tension as you slowly exhale. And now dropping the attention down to the pelvic floor for a moment. Feeling the hips, the quads on the front of your thighs, the hamstrings on the back of your thighs, dropping down to the knees, feeling the details of the sensations and connecting as you move to the calf muscles, and floating up to the shins, down to the ankles, and feeling your heels, the soles of your feet, the tops of your feet, and the toes. And now let the energy travel and flow all through your feet, all the way up through the legs, as you notice the energy coursing through the legs and feet in their entirety. Feel the energy in the legs and feet becoming thicker and lighter at the same time as you splash and immerse your full attention into them. And take a slow, deep breath all the way down into your legs and feet. Feel any tension expanding as you breathe in and releasing as you breathe out, as the legs and feet simply fall into the support underneath them. And now gently bringing the attention to the lower back, rising to the middle back, the upper back, feeling the point of contact between the entire back and the bed underneath you. Breathe deeply into the back and imagine anything you were carrying there releasing as you slowly exhale. And now feel the body head to toe, the legs, the feet, the arms, the hands, the torso, all the way up through the neck, all the way up to the top of the head, lighting it up gently and effortlessly with your attention, so that you're feeling your whole body vibrating with a sense of quiet aliveness in this moment. Notice the gentle to and fro and the satisfactory crackling of your life force energy as it dances in the body, head to toe. Feel all your thoughts and the world and distractions fading into the background. As these microscopic details of vibrating aliveness take center stage in your awareness. And now take a slow, deep breath into the whole body. And as you exhale super slow, imagine all that energy harmonizing, flowing in formation, all in the same direction of total restfulness. Taking one final slow, deep breath into your whole energy field. And as you exhale, imagine yourself, just for now, turning the world off, giving yourself permission to nestle deep, deep within the most restful part of yourself. Feel yourself floating in that space of deep restfulness and quietly vibrating aliveness for as long as you intuitively feel called to. Let go of whatever arises so that you can release deeper and deeper into that space. and effortlessly into a deep sleep.